To liquid stake your XPRT with pStake, start by going to app.pstake.finance/cosmos. Connect the Cosmos wallet of your choice, where you have your XPRT tokens, and agree to the terms and privacy policy to proceed. Go to the Staking tab on the left, search for XPRT under the Choose Asset tab and select it. Fill in the amount of XPRT you wish to liquid stake and proceed by clicking the Liquid Stake button. Approve the transaction in your wallet to liquid stake your XPRT on pStake and wait for it to confirm. If you click on the button next to Validator Distribution, you can check the current list of validators on the Validator Distribution page. To unstake your stkXPRT, go back to the Staking tab and select Unstake. Keep in mind that unstaking your stkXPRT will take 21 days for your assets to become available again. Fill in the amount of stkXPRT you wish to unstake and hit the Unstake button to proceed. Approve the transaction in your wallet. And there you go. The unbonding of your XPRT has now started and can be tracked in your dashboard. You can see the amount of stkXPRT you have in your wallet, and when going to the Unbonding tab, you can follow up the amount of XPRT that is unbonding and how long it takes before they become available. Now to put your stkXPRT to work, you can head over to the DeFi tab and look for the stkXPRT XPRT pool on Dexter. Click on Add Liquidity to go straight to the app. Once there, connect your Cosmos wallet and agree to the terms and conditions in order to proceed. Now click on Add Liquidity in order to bond LP into the pool with a single transaction. Enter the amount of stkXPRT and XPRT you want to LP into the pool and make sure to check the box to immediately bond your LP tokens in order to earn higher yields. Do keep in mind it will take 7 days for your LP tokens to unbond again. Finally, click on the Add Liquidity button to continue and approve the transaction in your wallet. Wait for it to confirm. And done! Your stkXPRT will now start generating additional yield on Dexter. Note that by clicking the box in the previous step, your tokens were bonded in the same transaction.